friends, Running Kimono here. It is the best day of the week. It is your paper deals over at Walgreens. We're looking at this curbside and we're looking at this in store to get the best value for paper for any new couponer out there. This is one item you should be stocking up on because it's just plain smart. If you have extra register rewards or Walgreens cash burning a hole in your pocket, buy paper. It never expires and it's always great to have a large amount of it on hand. So the first couple deals we're doing curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, and driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. The box on the left-hand side with the green check, that's what you're pressing. Alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with register rewards and you want to see what you're buying and you're very, very particular, on Sunday's video, I do have a Scott's toilet paper transaction there to show you guys. So if you want to check out that deal, I will link this video at the very, very end. Register rewards and all that magic is in store only. Let's get right into this with deal number one. So for this first deal, we're using this weird booster. It's not like a regular booster because you can actually use Walgreens cash and digital coupons to earn it back. It's $5 on any transaction in store or online. Curbside is online, so you will get this. So for this first basket, we're going to throw in one of these 12 counts of the Scott's toilet paper. We have a $1.25 store coupon and then a $1 manufacturer. That $1 manufacturer was only for you, so hopefully you guys got the same one if you do a lot of paper deals. And then this friend, we're going to throw two of them for $10 into your cart, very similar to Angel Soft, this toilet paper. So 2 for $10. There is no $1.25 off this week. I think it's because we're in a new month over at Walgreens, but we could still make a deal work with this, and I think it's a very good toilet paper. So Scott store coupon, $1.25 coming off, and then you could use the code WAG10 to save an additional $1 off, so not bad. Alternatively, if you don't want that Walgreens toilet paper, you can get the paper towel. You pick. Your total here is $15, $2.25 melting off with the $1.25 Scott and then the $1 WAG10. A $1 manufacturer also melting off. Your curbside pickup is free. $12.52. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $2.52 and get back $5 in Walgreens cash, which is not bad. And that's that weird, dumb $5 booster that some of us got. And yeah, what a deal. Not bad for 3 units of paper. The next curbside deal that we're looking at is number 2. Again, if you might have this friend, let's use it in this transaction. Pick and choose wisely how you wish to do it because this is of a one-time use as well. Throwing one of these Angel Soft Mega XL 2-ply $17.99 down to $12.99. Now there was a 50-cent and a $1 coupon to go with this, but then it magically vanished. And I know that with this mega one, IBOTTA and frequently has rebates, and I've noticed that whatever the promotion is earlier in the week, towards the end of the week, the IBOTTA rebate always pops back up. They did that with Persil a week ago. So when you go to pick this up, try and get a receipt however you can. If the cashier processes it through a regular register, you tend to get it. If they just scan it with the handheld, you're not going to get a receipt. Hopefully that's crystal clear. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.30. And I'm sorry, guys, there is no manufacturer coupon to go with this, but considering that the pack of toilet paper is almost $18, these rolls are very, very sizable. It's not bad to get that $1.30 off. Just to show you guys, it's $12.99. WAG10 taken $1.30 off. Free curbside pickup and tax. $12.39. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.39, that's fine. And that weird, stupid, goofy $5 going to appear. So it makes it not a bad deal after everything's said and done. I know that a lot of you prefer the fancier brands, and I think Angel Soft is right up there. These mega rolls last a really long time as well. It's one of our favorites in our household. We prefer this over Cottonelle. Don't tell anyone. The final deal is in store. And again, if you might have this friend, this is potentially a deal that you can do. And if you wanted to do a spend $35 to earn back the $10 register reward, look for the P&G paper products that are specifically tagged. This, I believe, is not part of the promotion, but it's $12.99 for a Bounty or a Charmin, a $4 reward when you purchase 2, and each product currently has dollar digital coupons. So that's $2 off. So 2 of these products, 1 Bounty, 1 Charmin, is $25.98. Subtracting the dollar off the Bounty and the dollar off the Charmin, you're paying $23.98, getting back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash with that $5 booster. It makes it $14.98 for the 2, or $7.49 per pack. It's okay to use Walgreens cash with this weird booster. If you have extra register rewards, say from Colgate or any other deal you were doing earlier in the week, I would throw them in for a smaller out of pocket because this one is a hefty one. But if you want the fancier paper, not a bad deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and Sunday's video is linked right here if you want to check it out. We will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.